Oh my God, he's a stonker. Oh my God. Right, welcome back viewers for another action-packed day of Donks Fishing Adventures. We're out here underneath this bridge in Perth, Swan River. Beautiful day. It was sprinkling a bit before. There's a lot of mist. Winter time that is, and I'm going for black bream. This time of year they probably move downstream because it has been raining for the last few days, and I'm not doing nothing fancy today. I'm just using the good old river prawn on a bait holder hook. I'll just show you how I put it on through the tail, feed it through, put the hook hopefully through the head, and that's beautiful. You can tie a half niche knot to keep that tail up there, but there you go. Saturday morning, I don't know where people are going this time in the morning. They should be out fishing. That's it, nice and easy. I'm going to cast out between these pylons. I reckon the fish are aggregating, coming close in, probably eating a bit of crustaceans off those pylons. And I'll just plonk it out there, and the current will bring it closer to it, and just let it sit there on a bit of a spool, free run. When it goes ballistic, set the hook, and hopefully we've got a black bream in the bag. So I'm going to try a little lure. Muck around while I'm waiting for these baits to hook up. I should be using soft plastic, but it's pretty shallow here. No need for soft plastic right now. So we've moved spot to Harrison Island, and got a prawn out here, and I already had a bit of a run. Don't know if there's going to be much out here today. Very cold day too. Yeah, so I had a run, probably a small bream. Yeah, he chomped it up in half. Good sign. Better than the other spot I was at. It's good to move. Bad thing is my hands are starting to get numb. I can barely feel the bait and the hook. It's amazing, there's a helicopter there just put in from the Burswood Casino. I wonder if he's doing a fish watch investigation. That's strange, there's another bloody helicopter. Yeah. Maybe they can see the fish. Which way, buddy? This way or that way? This way? Okay, thanks mate. Roger that. So, thank God, the line just went off ballistic, and he's definitely up with bream. Nice. Okay, good beauty. Just a bit hooked, he's on the full prawn. Oh yeah, he feels good. It really feels good. Right on the bite. Oh my God, he's a stonker. Oh my God. Woo! That is what we are talking about. That would have to be my biggest bream ever. That's massive. Holy moly. This is almost snapper size. Stonker! There we go. Got to measure this one up. Didn't expect that. Almost the first fish of the day, and it's probably going to be the last, but that is massive. I better grab my pliers and try and get this big boy on. So that's how you do it. Nice big black bream here up on the Swan River, opposite Trinity College near Harrison Island. Mate, come up with the goods. Absolute beautiful fish. Got to measure them up. Let's see how we got here. 35 centimetres. I can't complain with that. Good on you, mate. Right. So I'm just trying to revive him because he's a big one. I'm not going to keep him because there are warnings here in the river because there's an algal bloom, and of course I let him live for another day. Beautiful fish. See you later, mate. See you next time, mate. Absolute quiet day, beautiful waters. The weather has picked up a lot better, but unfortunately it is time to go. Only got the one bream, but I mean that was a monster of a bream. I haven't caught one like that for many years, maybe because I haven't tried for a while. But yeah, look, that's how it goes. Great fun. Black bream, Swan River, opposite the Wacker. See you next time. If you want to keep up to date, hit me in the head there, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, take it easy.